Hey everybody,
Hi.
we're at the Dino, what, Katie?
Quest.
Dino Quest. It's
Jurassic
me,
Quest.
Eileen, Linda, and Katie. So we're moving up to the Dino Quest now, even as we speak.
Yeah, it's super exciting. So exciting. We're so nervous though. It's like we're going back in time.
Wait, that's too scary.
Like that guy's job right there looks really hard.
That's a girl one.
That girl's job right there.
Gosh, it's like.
Well,
don't you think the reason I knew that was the day was because on Amazon for May the 4th they were and I was like, what? And then I was like, oh, I get it. It was like a few years ago when they did that. And I was like, I don't understand that. And then what? Yeah, I think it's still a big thing because Disney isn't open, so I think we can't do
So Katie, what do you think of the dinosaur experience so far?
Oh, it's so scary. You have no idea. You guys should be here because it's freaking me out. I want to cry because it's so scary. like they come down and they roar at you. It's scary.
It is very, very scary, I must admit.
Scary.
Hey, can you turn that backlight on? Yeah. So Eileen, tell us about your experience so far.
Well, I'm really scared, so I'm cowering underneath my jacket because I'm so frightened.
yeah, that's too scary.
And like some of them, they're like opening and closing their eyes.
And their mouths.
And they go like, rah.
Linda, are you very scared or just mildly scared? Okay. I noticed you two are very quiet back there because you guys are scared the dinos are going to eat you.
Holding hands, we're so scared.
Okay, that is scary. Oh. All right, well, right now there's no dinos, so we're just kind of filling here. It says, please stay in your vehicle. I don't know why anybody would want to run around outside of their vehicle, but and we've got driver Katie with us. Thank you, Katie, for driving. Because the dinos were kind of so scary that I couldn't drive anymore. I started to shake, and it was really sad.
Oh my God,
so.
the kids driving, like the 3-year-olds driving.
Look, they can let the little 3-year-old drive. I was impressed you were driving now, but some 3-year-old is upstaging
yeah, he went
us.
up to me. How dare he?
All right, well, I guess we're going to take a break here from our sponsor because... Okay.
That is
We'll be right back after this short commercial break from the Cretaceous period. Cretaceous period, don't become extinct. Okay, this is an iguanodon. Really not one of the brighter dinosaurs, but he looks beautiful. You can tell he's been working out. Look at those calf muscles. Yes. Okay. We're coming up on something now, folks. It's the baby. Look at the baby. Hello, baby. All right, here we go. It's the Baryonyx, everyone. Baryonyx is hiding behind a very small tree, but I can still see him. Can you guys see him? Hiya, bear. Oh, look, he's eating a fish. Yeah. Apparently he likes seafood. And there's a giant tree he's hiding behind. Oh, look, and there's like a little dinosaur down there. I'm going to call him Harold. Harold, yes, yes. Looks like some kind of a raptor. And here is the dreaded Uranus. Yudi! My man! Que paso? Look at those toothies! We've been flossing, haven't we? Hey, check this out, he's got fur. He's got fur. And here's some kind of a feathered dinosaur. We're gonna call him Tweety Bye. And this looks like, I don't know what the heck that is. They seem to think they do, but I don't know if they can prove it. And again, he's hiding behind another enormous tree. Whoa, I think the dinosaur's attacking us. Whoa, watch out for that tail. Watch out for that tail. He has a medical condition. Let's not, make him embarrassed. No one is more embarrassed than he is. Yes, because the dinosaurs are so fast. And now it's time for a little bit of pantomime with the dinosaurs. They don't actually make noise, they just move. Who's this, Linda? I can't make it out. Oh.
Where did you get them from?
Hello?
I want to know where you got them from.
Towards you. That way you don't find the person having you. Which I should have told you a long time ago. Yeah, no, it's my fault. Here's an Anzu. Hello, Anzu.
Yeah, I don't like that one. It's like Bigfoot.
It's kind of amazing how well trained these dinosaurs are. I have not seen anyone having to clean up after them yet.
This is, the Ooze and the Oz.
Ooze, Oz. Oh yeah, you know what comes after that, right? I haven't been to Orange County for ages. All right, ladies and gentlemen, as you can see, nothing much is going on, so it's back to Katie. Hey, Katie.
Hi.
Welcome to Jurassic Boring Park.
Yeah.
As I mentioned earlier, we now know what killed the dinosaurs. It was boredom.
It's not the Ooze or the Oz, it's the yawns and the sleeping.
We even got really cool Jurassic Park music. And
it's not hyping it up. It's just
it's not.
It's ruining the mood.
Oh, and there's that cool car again and the Jeep.
Yeah.
What? Yeah, I saw it. See, sometimes the dinosaurs get a little wild, like Katie says. We hear the oohs and the ahs and the yelling and screaming. But so far it hasn't happened, thank God. So far, the greatest thing about this Jurassic Park tour is the two cars, the regular Jeep and the one that got attacked by the Tyrannosaurus Rex. There's a nice one. Look at that. That is a good one. I like that one. Your Jeep is the coolest thing about this attraction. Thank you. So that's the end of the Dino Tour. We're gonna have Enya play us off because a boring song for a boring thing. Definitely don't do it. There's a reason they became extinct. They're boring. Bye.